Hello, I'm Elizabeth Diaz, and this is the explanation of lesson plan number 5. And in the informative data, we have the theme animal intelligence, and this lesson is prepared for students of third baccalaureate, which proficiency level is elementary. The duration of this class is 45 minutes, and in the TEFL objectives, we have the first one that is listening. So here students have to identify main ideas and make predictions of the topic. In speaking, they have to express opinions about animal intelligence and create a debate. In reading, they have to scan for supporting details and interpret the meaning of a text. And in writing, they have to use phrasing technique with the purpose test. In the methodology, I use the communicative language teaching and direct method, and also audiolingual method. And the strategies are debate, cooperative learning, graphic organizer, and pair work. So in the anticipatory step, first I will put the video, a conversation with Coco, and I will ask the students to observe the video, and then they will have to make some predictions about what topic will be discussed according to the observed. And related with the main teaching input, the warm-up activity is that once the anticipatory activity is done, I will write their predictions on the blackboard. And after reviewing the ideas based on the observed video, I will ask questions like, mm, do you think Coco, like other animals, are capable of learning, for example, or do you think animals have intelligence, or do they act on instinct? And also, uh, do you have any personal experience of animal intelligence? So, and then I will put up a poster with photos of different animals, and in groups of three, I will ask them to analyze each image and discuss whether the animals in the images are considered as intelligent species. And I will walk around checking the students' understanding and assisting students where necessary. And once discussed, the groups will write in the table the animals they choose and write some examples of why they think the species of animals they chose are intelligent. And finally, once the task is finished, the students and me will check the answers, asking students to explain their answers. So I will walk around monitoring the correct pronunciation, and we conclude the class by reviewing the topic briefly. In modeling, I will explain that to complement the learning of the topic, and they will go to page 70 of their workbook in the reading How Smart is Smart, and from a comprehensible reading, order the main ideas, listen them with the paragraphs of the reading, and then I will explain that for the guided reading and independent activity, they will have to listen to the information of a TV program and carry out the purpose activities. And finally, the project of this class will be to watch the video, what animals are thinking and feeling and why it should matter. And I will divide the class in two groups to make a debate. And the next class on should we care if animals are intelligent or have feelings. And for this, they will also use the internet to a deepen investigation, and so they have to argue uh, their positions. Okay, in the guided practice, students in pairs develop an activity which they have to listen to an audio about a TV show. This is the format of the worksheet, and they have to select the correct sentences according to what they heard. Then in the second activity, and they will complete the notes using the information. Here we have the second activity, using the information they heard from the TV program. So I'm going to walk around the class to monitor the activity, and at the end, I will check the answers with the group. Last one, the independent practice. Students here will file out the graphic organizer. They have to file this graphic organizer, and using the information from the reading how smart is smart, and then they have to paraphrase each paragraph from the reading in their textbook. So in the assessment, the evaluation will be carried out through a quiz, condensing the content seen during the unit. This is the format of the quiz, and the close review and follow-up. That the class will be concluded by reviewing the topic briefly. Um, so the end of this lesson plan, and thank you for watching this video.